Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you today how to bevel in Blender. If you're a beginner, I think this will be helpful to you, so keep watching. To enable your bevel, click Tab, but first I will enable my shortcuts so you can see what I'm doing. Press Tab to go to Edit Mode. You can see the Edit Mode on the top left corner, like this, Edit Mode. And over here, click this Select Mode so you can select Edge. And now just select this edge, like this. And now press Ctrl B on your keyboard and move a mouse around so you can add a nice edge over here. If you add a mouse wheel, you can add multiple lines so you can make this edge smoother, like this. If I go Tab to Object Mode, you can see your object and a nice bevel over here. I will now undo this. There is another technique to bevel your whole object. It's to add a modifier. So select your go to Object Mode, select your object and go to modifiers over here, modifier, add modifier, and you can see bevel over here. If I click bevel, you can see now this nice bevel. So we can increase the amount like this and add some segments. But if I click Tab, you can't see the geometry. That's because this is not applied. So go back to Object Mode and over here click Apply. And now if you go to Edit Mode, you will see your bevel over here and you will see how good it looks. And this is it. This is how you bevel in Blender. I hope this was helpful to you. Drop some comments and likes below if you find this helpful, and see you in some other tutorial. Bye bye.